Hey guys, welcome here. So I wanted to answer a question that, what is the quickest way to change the mindset of a person who has chronic pain, who's living with chronic pain? And the easiest and the fastest way is to become aware that chronic pain or pain in any shape or form is not the enemy. It's simply a message from your body. It's a message about what's going on inside of you, not physically outside of you. So one of the questions you want to ask yourself is, what is the pain in my life that I'm feeling right now that I've been ignoring? What's hurting in my life right now? Is it relationships? Is it the job? Is it blocked creativity? What's the pain in my life right now? And when you start addressing that instead of what's going on physically with you, then you'll start to see shifts in your chronic pain too. So I hope that was helpful. I'll see you in my next video.